Hi guys, welcome to today's video. On today's video I have the new box from Walmart. So this is a $5 subscription and I hope this is the spring box, because I thought that Walmart was previously sending me the boxes for each season, like winter, spring, summer, and fall. So the last one that I received, I thought it was spring, but it's actually winter. So I hope this one is the springtime. So let's check what's inside. Let's get this started. And look at the colors. I really love the colors, purple and green. Actually, green is my favorite color and purple is my daughter's favorite color. So this is how it looks. It's very light this time. So that's what's inside. Smells fresh. Smells clean. Okay, let's go in. Ooh. Oh, it's a lot of samples this time. A lot of packaging sample. Oh, I was looking for this. So this little card says embrace your beauty, and on the back it says enter to win a $100 gift card, beautyboxessurvey.com. Don't forget to do that to win a $100 gift card. It's a bath bomb. It smells like sweet. So actually it's a unicorn beach ball. It's not a ball. I mean, it's a ball, but it's not a ball to play with. So it's a unicorn beach bath bomb. I don't use bath bombs because I have a very sensitive skin. What I would do, I will throw it in the toilet to make it smell good and to see how long it lasts, because it does smell really good, guys. Very fresh. Next we have Earth Blends moisturizing body wash, but I can see it's coconut and grapefruit. Yep, I smell the coconut and sweet in it. Vino lotion, daily moisturizing lotion for your body. Actually, I like this brand for kids. So you can buy the oatmeal package and just give them a bath and they have like eczema. I really like that brand just for the kids. Oh, it's kind of open. Let's see if we have a little. Doesn't have any smells. Oh, it's like I poured it all out. So yeah, Aveeno moisturizing lotion. Because sometimes it's very sticky. Next we have Hello Natural Friendly. This is mint with coconut oil. I never tried out toothpaste with coconut oil. Let's try this. Make sure this kind of products are sealed because you don't want to use something that has been opened before. It is minty. I don't taste the coconut in it, just the mint. Next we have, oh, that's it. The rest are just new Garnier Whole Blends. This is a sample of a gentle conditioner with oats and milk and rice cream extract. I never seen with rice shampoo. And you also have the little package of the gentle shampoo. I would have loved to see the little bottles instead of these packages. Acai Berry Revitalizing sleeping mask by So AE. Leave a comment down below. How do you pronounce this? So AE? Not sure. Maybe you know. So this is the little little pamphlet announcing or letting you know about the new whole blends gentle shampoo from Garnier. Oatmeal delicacy. I'm in trouble pronouncing those words. We have this is the, it's actually letting you know what you're getting in your box by just showing you this. Soft soap. So it tells you which other products are out there by the Hello brand. Products are out for Hello brand. And the last item we have is a coupon that you can get a free box that costs up to $8.99 from Nice and Easy Clairol. Coupon is on the back. So we have the body wash, the bath bomb. Go drop it in the toilet. Just smell good. We have the sleeping mask. We have the Hello toothpaste. We have the Aveeno lotion. I have been receiving the Aveeno lotion in each box. And we have the new Garnier Whole Blends, the Legacy. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos every week. Thanks for watching.